Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome Google keep stopping on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, if your Google application suddenly won't open and it say Google keep stopping, don't need to be worried and don't need to be panicked because you can fix it easily without having to take it to a repairman. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first, now you can go to Google apps on your phone, and then now you can press and hold and go to apps info, and then so yeah, now you can scroll down and go to storage, and now you have to clear all of cache and clear the data so that the problems on your Google will deleted with your data. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.